Hi, my name's Mark. Thank you for joining me on a mindful journey as we explore Gari. This place is incredibly special to me. It's where I've spent many years exploring, relaxing, and most of all connecting to nature. This island has challenged and humbled me at times, as well as giving me countless joyful moments. Gari is an island that has loved and given me so much. This is my happy place. I invite you to relax and take a moment for yourself, just as I often do in this beautiful place. Watch this video or close your eyes and listen, and feel the connection to nature. Let us begin the journey to this paradise island, uniquely rich with wildlife and diverse landscapes. From golden rolling sand dunes, pristine freshwater lakes and creeks to towering rainforests growing in sand, Gari is an island like no other. To the Bachelor people, Gari is not just an island, but a living entity. Her voice is in the trees, her pulse in the streams, her spirit lies in all the natural colours. This sacred land has nurtured her people since the beginning of time and continues to do so today. I pay my respects to all the Bachelor brothers and sisters and have the deepest respect for their wonderful culture and precious customs. As the stars are replaced by blue skies, the quiet slumber of the night melts away to make way for a new day. As dawn breaks, the birds sing to Gari, and she stirs once again. The morning sun peeks over the horizon, sparkling on the waves in all its warm hues of bronze and gold. Gari's landscape is a living canvas, constantly shifting under the influence of time, wind, and tides. Vast stretches of golden sand rise and fall, with the seasons like gentle waves across the island, leading to the lush rainforests that thrive in this unusual terrain. Ever growing, Gari is the largest sand island in the world, with her golden beaches stretching for more than 125 kilometers. As the wind blows the sand inland, the dunes grow and slide to the west to swallow the forests. Ever changing, this place holds a magic that you cannot help but be enchanted by. The rainforests here glow in every hue of green as sunset streams through the canopy. The sand feels cool beneath your bare feet, and the air smells fresh and earthy. The reds of the satnay trees pop against the green hues, enveloping you in an earthly hug. The gentle creaking of the trees as they sway soothes you, and you take a deep breath. As you exhale, the high-pitched rattle of the cicadas tickles past your ears, and as their mating call rushes past you, it seems to carry your worries away with them. The light pierces through the canopy and warms your face, calming you as your mind relaxes into island time. As you wander through endless towering trees with nowhere to be, the breeze sweeps through the forest, rustling the trees in a melody only nature can compose. It carries that scent that makes you breathe so deep, the purest of fresh air. You are free, so connected to the wild spirit of Gari. The ocean breathes life into this place. Along the shores, the waves roll in, one after another, shaping the coastline in a dance as old as time. The creeks gently flow and sparkle in the sunlight, reflecting the sky's endless blue. Rolling rhythmically, you can feel the island breathe deeply with you, slowing time down and rolling days into one. Gently crashing onto the golden sands with a soothing, timeless energy, each wave is a whisper from the ocean. A reminder of the island's eternal connection to the sea. Here, nature exists in perfect harmony. In the forest, freshwater lakes cradle life. Their still waters reflecting the sky above. Some so blue, they invite you to dive right in. Others tinted red with tannins, healing your skin and softening your hair as you bathe. The winds that sweep across the landscapes here carry with them the whispers of the ancient spirits. They weave through the trees, rustling the leaves and stirring the sands, ever changing, ever present. In the silence of her creeks, time stands still. The water flows so quietly, so peacefully, as if respecting the sacredness of this place. Here in the stillness, you can feel Gari, gentle and steady, a reminder of her ancient wisdom. The spirit of this island is embodied in the majestic whales that breach and play as they pass by on their yearly migration. And the singing birds fill the air, entertaining with endless music. Follow in the footsteps of the dingoes and wander at your own pace through this wonderland of sand. As the day draws to a close, Gari is wrapped in the dimming colours of the sunset. The sky blushes with shades of pink and orange, casting a warm glow over the island. As stars begin to reveal themselves, she rests under their watchful gaze. Gari is a place where the elements come together to create a world of extraordinary beauty and timeless spirit. A place to be honoured, protected, and cherished by all who walk her shores and forests. A sanctuary for both creatures of land and sea, Gari is the keeper of all that is near her.